Welcome to this one-of-a-kind Charleston-style house in Wagener, South Carolina, a rare historic property brimming with character and potential. Situated just 22 minutes from Aiken, this home combines Southern charm, spacious interiors, and a timeless design that makes it perfect for restoration or creating your own private event venue. The main floor also includes a sitting room that could easily serve as an additional bedroom, a large kitchen with a 6-burner Vulcan gas stove and prep sink, and a full bathroom for convenience. Upstairs, discover 4 generously sized bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, each exuding the charm of historic architecture. The covered back porch opens onto a spacious patio, ideal for entertaining guests, hosting weddings, receptions, or family reunions. With plenty of parking and public parking adjacent to the backyard, this property offers endless possibilities for creating a unique venue. From the soaring ceilings and timeless finishes to the potential for modern upgrades, this Charleston-style house in Wagener, SC is a rare opportunity. Whether you're seeking a historic restoration project, a distinctive event space, or simply a home filled with character, this property invites you to write the next chapter of its story. Don't miss your chance to bring your vision to life.